Hi everyone, in this video you will learn how to detect double click in JavaScript. By the end of the video you will have this sort of output. You can see I got a div element here and the background color is gray. If I'll click on this div element once, I'll get a red color. If I click twice, I'll get green. This is what we are going to build in this tutorial, so let's get started. I'm using VS Code here as my code editor. Let's create an index file here. It will be index.html. Let's have some basic HTML structure. Add a link to the style sheet, which will be style.css. Add a script file at the bottom, which will be script.js. We only need one div element here, and that will be empty, like this. Just save this file and create a style sheet here. Select the body element. Background color will be cornflower blue. Select div element. Height will be 300 pixels. Width will be 300 pixels. Border will be 1 pixel solid black. Background color will be gray. And margin will be 10 pixel and auto, just to center line it. Save it. Let's open this file in the browser to see the output. And that's the output. Now let's work on the script file. Create script.js here. Select the div element. So it will be document.query selector. And we'll select it by the tag, which is div. Now we'll add two event listener to it. The first one will be click and the second one will be double click. So let's start with the click. This will be the handler function. So when we will click on this div element once, we'll change its background color to red. For that, we'll utilize the style property, and then we have this background color property here. We'll set it to red. I just copy and paste it. The event will be double click, so it will be dbl click, and here we'll make it green. That's all what you have to do. This one is for single click and this one is for double click. Now just save it, go to browser. Let's click on it once, we are getting red. Let's click on it twice, we are getting green. So I hope you understood how to detect double click in JavaScript. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.